Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with entering the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, like that. And after releasing the finger, here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close only one of those apps, for example, or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on this X button. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.